In this episode, I will share with you the top 5 supplements that have been shown to help increase libido and balance hormones in women over 40. So if you're ready to take control of your sex life and feel like your youthful, vibrant self again, make sure to watch this video until the end. You'll be glad you did. Hello lovelies, this is Razzie's Rays of Sunshine, and welcome to my channel where we talk about a plethora of topics that interest women. And if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to show me some support by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like, thumbs up button. Are you a woman over 40 struggling with low libido and feeling like you've lost your mojo? Well, fret not. It's common for women to experience a decrease in their sex drive as they age. But there are things you can do to boost your libido and reclaim your sexual desire. One more thing before we get started. Always remember that my videos and the information provided are for entertainment and informational purposes only to share thoughts and opinions. It is not intended as a substitute for professional advice, so please do your own research and consult with your own qualified professionals before taking any actions based on the information provided on this channel. In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 supplements that have been proven to not only increase libido, but enhance lubrication and balance hormones. These supplements have been carefully selected based on their effectiveness and safety and have been used by thousands of women just like you to improve their sex lives. They have helped countless women like you reignite their passion and improve their overall well-being. Firstly, let's talk about Maca. This root has been used for centuries to improve libido. It's also believed to help balance hormones, making it very effective when it comes to combating the challenges of aging. Next is red clover. This herb is high in phytoestrogen and has been shown to help with hot flashes and other menopausal symptoms. It may also improve libido and increase lubrication. Next up, if you're looking for a hormone boost, DHEA may be the supplement for you. This hormone is a precursor to testosterone and estrogen and has been shown to improve libido. Black COhosh. Black COhosh is another herb that's commonly used for menopausal symptoms. It may help with hot flashes and vaginal dryness, making it a great option for women looking to improve their sexual health. Finally, we have ashwagandha. This herb is known for its stress-reducing properties and has been shown to improve libido. It may also help balance hormones. So there you have it. These are just a few of the supplements that may help women over 40 boost their libido. And there are lots more out there. But remember, it's always a good idea to speak with a qualified healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, as they can help determine the right dosage and ensure that the supplements are safe and appropriate for you. Don't let the challenges of aging hold you back. Take control of your sexual health today. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I would love for you to show me some support by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like, thumbs up button and share this video with your friends. See ya next time.